Hi, it's Malcolm here, and this quick video is about the new Grey Horse Spot bonus called Jockey Profit Finder. This new product allows you to find jockeys that are profitable very quickly. So you've got the race type choices, so National Hunt, Flat, AW Chase, Flat and Hurdle. So we can change the flat, and we can change the number of jockeys we see on screen at any one time. So we can change that to say 50, or we could change it to all, and it has a great big long list of all possible jockeys that are in our database. We can change from all selections to 1 month results, 3 month results and 6 month results as well. We can order how we see them by either the name, the results, how many results they have in a database, the wins that they have, the PL, and of course strike rate. So if we look down strike rate, we could go down, and I often look for jockeys with quite a few selections. So Baker, quite a few selections, quite a bit of profit, quite good strike rate. So I have a look at him. You can see that I've looked at him before. So we've got his information here, 735 results. Now first of all, we can look at those results and see how he's been doing, which I presume G Baker is him, by the way. And you can see that that's a pretty good strike rate and a nice bit of profit. So that gives us some information. We can also see all of the runs from that particular jockey. So there you go, all the results, which is 1,978, and overall strike rate of 17.24, which is pretty good. But where this system really gets good is if we go to winners, we get a list of all the winners on the flat, and we can have a look. And at the bottom, we can actually click on any of these that are highlighted. So we could go to York and see how he's done at York. 25% strike rate, 10.26 points profit, not bad. We could look at the horses that he's ridden, or the trainers that he's ridden for. So our chart, and we'd see how many, 80 rides, 17, good strike rate, not much profit probably, just purely down to prices. But we've also at the bottom got a little system builder, which is going to be improved gradually. But I could say, okay, let's have a look at all his Windsor selections. So we go to Windsor, and you can see that he's had 77 rides at Windsor, total wins 16, and 20.78% strike rate, and a nice bit of profit. So there may be an area that we can look at. You could also look at, that's Windsor at handicap. You could look at Windsor, all of his selections, and very similar, mainly a handicap rider, obviously. You could look at maybe the class. Does he ride better at a particular class? So you could look at the class and see, he's 19.5%. So we're gradually drilling down and seeing if this jockey is worth following. Now, you'll notice that also when we look at the results, we can see the daily results, so we can see all the rides and the results. We can get a month by month information as well, so we can see how many losing months we might have to go through and things like that. We also get this link. Now, no matter what search you do, you will get a link for the Grey Horse Spot, which automatically works to download the selections based on that search. So in this particular case, we're looking at G Baker on flat at Windsor in class 5. So that link will only download selections when G Baker is riding flat at Windsor in class 5. And so that gives you a really good way of just getting the selections you need. You just have to either put that into a bot or even a browser if you want to, and you'll get the selections automatically. If you do it with the bot, of course, you'll get you can just run a bot and have it sitting there waiting for the selections to come down, and when they're available it will automatically bet. This would be what we call probably a nano system, because there's not many selections over quite a few months, but you can build those selections up. And that is almost it. We've got the horses ridden by the jockey, so we've got a long list of all the horses, so you can see them all and get information about that. But I think the real power is in the winners information and the way we can look at quickly at where this particular jockey does well. Inside, if you come up with several jockeys, you can combine them using the other bonus that you can get inside GrailSpot, which allows you to add multiple links together, creating one super system if you like, and you can do that with jockeys, trainers, any system that you come up with using any of the information built within the Grey Horsespot members area. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the inside. Bye bye.